The following companies are leaders in the manufacturing of unique food and beverage products, including fresh prepared foods, as well as packaged foods, and alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. Under the leadership of Eugene Kang, Country Archer Jerky Company of San Bernardino has gone from a small roadside business to the fastest growing natural jerky brand, reshaping the $2.9 billion meat snacks category. With products available in over 25,000 stores nationwide, the company is providing outdoor adventurers, busy parents, and athletes with the best option for natural and healthy snacks. Fazeli Cellars is a boutique winery in the picturesque rolling hills of Temecula that has burgeoned into one of the region's most prestigious and celebrated wineries. Founded in 2006 by B.J. Fazeli, the company provides a unique venue where guests and wine club members are immersed in a complete sensory experience of food, wine, and a touch of BJ's Persian culture. This year's finalists represent the top food and beverage manufacturing companies of the Inland Empire.